Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize EV charging authorization on EVBox stations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize EV charging on EVBox stations, begin by locating the nearest EVBox station. Once you arrive, check that the station is powered on and ready for use. Next, ensure you have a compatible charging access card or mobile app installed. If you are using a charging card, hold it near the card reader on the EVBox station. Wait for the station to indicate that the card has been recognized. If you are using a mobile app, open the app and sign in with your credentials. Select the option for charging and choose the appropriate EVBox station from the map. Confirm your selection, and the app will send an authorization request to the station. Once your request is processed, the station will unlock and be ready for you to plug in your vehicle. Carefully connect the charging cable to your vehicle's charging port. Monitor the station's display for any notifications or updates during the charging session. When charging is complete, safely disconnect the cable from your vehicle. Return the charging cable to its holder on the EVBox station. If applicable, check the final cost on the station's display or in your app. Finally, ensure you have everything you need before leaving the station. Following these steps will ensure a smooth and efficient charging experience at EVBox stations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.